Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix invalid traffic in Google AdSense in 2026. So if you're seeing earnings drops or a warning about invalid activity, this guide will help you understand what's going on and how to fix it. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside, go to the Policy Center to see if there are any invalid traffic alerts. Invalid traffic means suspicious clicks or views that don't look natural. This can come from bots, accidental clicks, or even unsafe traffic sources. First fix: stop using any paid traffic, bots, or click exchange services immediately. Go to Google Analytics or YouTube Studio and check where your traffic is coming from. If you see unusual traffic sources, like random countries or spam websites, block or avoid them. Never click your own ads, even by mistake. This is one of the most common reasons for invalid traffic flags. Focus on high-quality, original content so your traffic becomes more natural and stable over time. Sometimes AdSense automatically reviews invalid traffic and adjusts earnings, so you may just need to wait. And if the issue continues, contact AdSense support through the Policy Center for help. So that's how to fix invalid traffic in Google AdSense in 2026. Focus on real traffic and good content, and your account will stay safe long-term. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.